Hey coders, welcome back to Rayyan. In today's video, we are solving LeetCode 500 problem 513. Find bottom left tree value. A classic binary tree challenge that tests your understanding of level order traversal. Okay, we will walk through the problem, build the solution step by step using Python and break down the logic and so it's crystal clear. Whether you are preparing for interviews or just want to improve your tree problem skills, this one's a must watch. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment if you find this helpful. So let's jump to it. Well, let's start to solve our 513 question by the name of find bottom left tree value, and here's our question number 513. So first of all, we understand the question carefully. Yes means what is the question is trying to say us, then we'll solve it in the Python 3 in the LeetCode camp website. Okay, so there it has been giving me one line of question. Here you can see it. So let's understand the question. Now it has been given me a one root of a binary tree. It has been given me a one binary root of the root of a binary tree, and we want to return the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. Okay, we want to return the our leftmost value in the last row of the tree. Okay, and if you see the example one here, it has been given me a one diagram. Here you get a one diagram. If you see here, like 1, 2 and then 3. Here you can see it. It had been make it one. It had been given me one diagram like 1, 2, 3. It is coming like this. And here you give an integer array by the name of root in which he wrote down 2, 1, 3, and the output had been coming 1. Okay. Why? Let me tell you why the output had been coming 1. Now let's see our example 2. If you see, if I show you this example 2, it is coming from 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you see here, let me show you how. Let me remove it. Let me make a one shape like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is going like this. Okay, if you see, and the output has been coming 7. Okay, output has been coming 7. Why? Because 7 is the last number. Okay, if you see here, second is the last number, so that's why. So now it is giving me a 1, 2 diagram like 1, 2, 3, then 4, then it is going to the 5, 6 and then 7. And here in the integer array which he made it by the name of root, and which he wrote it down 1, 2, 3, 4, null, 5, 6, then null, then 7. Here you can see it. It is giving me a like this. Means that because after the 4 there is not any number. If you see here, after the 4 there is not any number. Okay, if you see here, let me show you here, there is not any number, so that's why the output has been coming null. Then 5, 6, then 5, 6 has been, why the 5, 6 has been coming? Because in the 3 there is a 5, then 6, then 6 has not any number. If you see here, 6 has not any numbers. After a 6 there is not any number, but then null, then 2 null, here we wrote it down, then we write 7. Why? Because after the 5 there is output there is coming 7. Okay, so that's why, like this. Now when you do this all the things, so now let me explain you more thing else. Now here output has been coming 1. Why? Because here he wrote it down 2, 1 and then 3, and 2, 1, 3, and the output has been coming 1, because here we in the 1 is in the center of the integer array. Okay, and it has been telling me, it has given me a one root of a binary tree, and we want to return the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. Okay, we want to do this. So now let's open our Google Chrome, and now let's start to solve this question. Now this is a medium one question which we are solving in today's video, and topic is about tree, depth first search, breadth first search, and binary tree. The topic is about these. There are 4 topics are in this question. Okay, and there are medium one question, and total 5,55,000 people have submitted this, and only 3,98,000 and accepted, and 71.7% is acceptances. Okay, Now let's try to solve this question. So we are solving this question in the Python 3. Okay, like you all the people know, whenever we start to solve any question, we solve in the Python 3. So first of all, here we define class of a solution, because it's a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever you start to solve any question, so first of all you define a class of a solution. If you do not define a class of a solution, so it must be give you an error. Okay, def keyword find bottom left value, self comma root, and then optional and then we convert into the int, means in the integer. Integer short form is int. Okay, then here we define q, then dq, define here root, leftmost, then define here value equals to none. Our value should be none, and none n should be in capital. Then while loop, here we wrote it down, in which we write q and then enter. Then here we define node equals to q dot pop left, and then rounded bracket, enter. Now when we define this all the things, so now here when I give the space, so I define here leftmost value equals to node.val. Now here I define if statement node.write semicolon and then enter. Okay, now here I define a if statement, and when I do this, so I define a q one more time, in which I append node.write, means that I am appending q, means I am merging q with node.write. Okay, now if node.left, so now here I will be append q with node.left, means that here I am adding q with node.left. Okay, so when I do this all the things, so now let's erase this, enter, back. So define here return leftmost value, means that in this line here I am returning my output. Okay, when I do this, so now here I am backspace, and I am writing here if you, okay, I am defining, not here I am defining comment, I am defining comment here. If you want to see this question with full totally with explanation, visit my channel Rayyan. Okay, to solve your all questions with clear mindset. Okay, I am defining there two comments. So I have write it my all the code. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so it is taking a little bit loading. So our run is accepted. So in our case 1, our expected output is 1, and my also output has been coming 1. In the case 2, the expected output is 7, and my also output has been coming 7. Here you can see it. Now we want to see the running code now. So let's see the running code, sorry, the not running code, submission code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission has been accepted. So we solve in the 0 milliseconds, and I beat 100% people, means that I come in the top. Okay, I beat 100% people. So okay, so I am defining, I am public this solution, easy solution in Python 3. So you can also copy paste this my solution, so you will be also beat 100% people. Okay, you will in Python 3 100% beats. If you want to beat, visit my channel Rayyan. Now I am posting this solution. So I have pasted a solution, and in today's video we solve a 530 question by find bottom left 3 values. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss these type of videos on this channel. Okay, And one more thing I told you, if you want to see all the solutions, if you want to visit my profile, if you want to see my profile, so then my profile by the name of Rayyan, so you can go and view my profile. Okay, so go and view it. Okay, and now let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class of this LeetCode channel. So now for today, goodbye.